Okay, if you got a 2016 Suburban or a similar year where the power recline doesn't work in one direction or the other or either, but everything else works, you've likely just have an issue with this module that sits behind here. You can order this for pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. In order to get to it, there's two screws. There's gonna be one right on the back side of this. It's a T25, Torx 25, and then there's one here, which is a T20. You'll actually access it from the back. If you can see that, you just take a T20 and T25 screwdriver or bit and pull those bad boys out. And then you get a couple clips, one that goes into that guy. You just depress it, pop it out. Second guy goes down here, depress it, pop it out. And then these little tabs just pry out with like a flathead screwdriver. You can kind of see them here on the top of that. You just have to clear the tabs that are all the way around this thing. Just fuss with them to get them off. The other thing I didn't mention is there's two clips here, one here, one there, that kind of grab onto the top of this. So once you have the two screws out, you got to kind of pop it up off of there, otherwise you'll break those plastic clips if you try to yank it off. So I'm going to remove this guy, swap in the new part, and we'll show you that. Also forgot to mention that you got to take these caps off. I've got a little trim removal tool. I'll put a link in the description as well, but you can use anything skinny to get behind there. You just kind of work them off. If I had two hands, I wouldn't have let it go flying. It's under there somewhere, but that's how you do these guys to get those off before you can pull the rest of the module out. Okay, it's all back together. Put the new one in, threw the caps back on, and you can see Recline works forward and backwards. No problem. All the switches work. Couple screws in there. Do this yourself, guys. Super easy fix. You know a dealer or shop is gonna try to hose you for several hundreds of dollars for something easy like this. So look in the description, buy it off there. It helps me out. And as always, continue to do as I'm doing. Peace.